In autumn, once you have harvested your vegetables that have borne fruit this summer, especially do not abandon your vegetable patch. Start by separating the tomato plants, which you definitely should not put on the compost pile, so we will take them to a waste disposal site. Next, remove the unwanted plants, also known as weeds, or commonly referred to as undesirable weeds. Try to extract the roots. Then we work the soil on the surface. Here we notice that the level of the soil in the vegetable patch has dropped by 5 to 10 centimeters. This is completely normal. It is the vegetables that also deplete a certain part of the soil. But there is another reason. At the bottom of this vegetable patch there has been BRF, fragmented branch wood, which, as it decomposes, has decreased in volume. So we will now top it up and amend this soil with compost. Compost is a very rich amendment, which means it is full of nutrients and beneficial for plants. It should mainly be mixed with the soil to ensure proper distribution of nutrients. No more than 1/3 in terms of quantity should be used to avoid over-fertilization. Once you have reached your level of compost in relation to the height of the vegetable patch, be sure to mix it thoroughly and well with the existing soil. A little rake to level the soil. You can even just compact it a bit. So we definitely really leveled it out. After carefully leveling my vegetable patch, I replant salads, but salads that will survive the winter. These are winter salads. Again.